Okay, in today's video then, got a few updates for the Poor Boys Speedrun Challenge. First of all, I've sprayed the body. I think it looks beautiful. I don't think it'll make it go faster though, but it looks good to me. Secondly, I've upgraded the steering. So you can see there I've got got the new knuckles in, but I had to buy some, whatever these bits are, I don't know what you call them. Knuckle housing, I will call them. And they're from a monster beetle. But they've actually done a favour really, because actually what's happened is that it's sitting slightly lower because these knuckles are a little bit higher. Well, just the configuration of it. I don't understand it, is what I'm saying, but the configuration of it has made it so it sits a little bit lower. So that's the first thing to mention. Secondly, I've also upgraded the position of the servo and the servo saver. I've upgraded the servo saver, not the position, and the steering links. So there's no play in there now. Tiny bit, but I think that's more to do with the wheels. The other thing with these knuckles, I've had to put some spacers in because those knuckles were way too long, and well, the wheel would just wobble about without them, but they work. I don't know how long they're going to last for, but let's see. So that's the first thing. Steering has been upgraded. Secondly, this is what I'm adding to this. It's the Sky RC Furia X Super, and the motor in it, see there, 5400 kV. Don't know what that is in turns, possibly 8, I think, something like that. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to add to this today. So I'll add that, and then I'll give it a speed run, and I'm going to do the official speed run, or my official speed run anyway, for this one. So let's get it fitted. Okay, so we're back on the road again. Let's show you my setup. Here's my beautiful frog, even though I don't think it's actually that beautiful. But anyway, it's just a personal choice. I'll show you what I've got inside. So I've got the Furia X Super 5400 kV brushless motor, and the Furia X Super ESC. Battery wise, we can open this without dropping everything. There we go. So we've got 2S 4000 milliamp hour 60C. It's a G-Tech battery. I think if you can look under there, you can just about see the balance leads. Just about. That's what we're running today. Forgot to switch on the GPS. This one takes a little while to connect. There we go. Connected. So put that in. Oh look, I've done 1.1 miles an hour already. I haven't even done anything. Oops, got a bit of video in there. Got nothing. It's a good start, isn't it? There we go. So I'm running this with a dual rate of 50 because I just can't get it to stay straight. So hopefully this time I'll at least get one run in. Right, now we can have a look at it. Although I suspect this one's still not very good. Hey. There we go. 33.4 miles an hour. Now I'm going to turn it up just a bit. There we go. 44 miles an hour. I don't think I'm going to do better than that. Anyway, so let's just show you the battery we've got in there. Switch it off first. There we go. Same battery, same ESC and motor and everything. So this is running in the open glass. Okay, so 44.7 miles an hour. That was the speed that I got, and like I said, it was only the controller was only it wasn't anywhere near 100% at that point, the dual rate. So we're on about 75, I think, at the moment. So we've still got some more poke in there. So I'll have another go at that next week, I think. And you may have noticed also on that video that I put some new tyres. So they're the holiday buggy tyres or wheels. So I've put those on. They were again suggested by Joe versus RC. He's the man to listen to if you're going to listen to somebody. So yeah, yeah. So that's it. So yeah, like and subscribe. Buy me a coffee. I've also got, if you're interested, I've opened a little shop and you can get some stickers and some t-shirts and caps and things like that, mugs. So if you want to do that, the link's in the description. I mean, you may not be interested in it, but that's fine. But yeah, so we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.